Hello, welcome back to the channel. Thanks to those who have subscribed. If you haven't done so, please do. It helps us reach more people. Right, today I'm going to show you the top box that I made up for the back of the Bantam. I was going to use an old ammo box, which I'll show you in a minute. That tended to look just too tall, I think, on the back of the bike, so I ended up using an old jewellery box which needed all repairs. So I'll show you some pictures of that as I went through the stages of redoing it, and then I'll show you around the box, new box on the back of the bike. Right, so here's the ammo box, obviously one of these old metal tin things, which is quite cool, really good condition. Not sure how old it is, but as I say, it's just too tall really. If the height had been that kind of height, it would have been ideal, but so I decided to not use it in the end. I could have laid it on its side, but obviously when you open the lid everything would fall out, so decided not to use it. So what I did use, as I say, is an old jewellery box, and here we go. This is what it looks like. Got a Bantam sticker of eBay for it, one on the back as well. I think size wise it looks about right on the bike. Actually, I'll move the bike round in a minute and give you a side view of it. So I bought a couple of bracket things, got these from Screwfix in the UK. Got a few odds and sods inside. BSA sticker. Go, it's probably about, I don't know, about 12 centimetres high, about 29, 30 centimetres long, about 20 centimetres wide. Just sits on the back carriage rack thingy, just perfect size. And I painted it up, same colour. I had some paint with the bike in a tin when I got hold of the bike, and so I took the tin down to a local paint supply place. They made me up a spray can, cost me, I think it was £12, something like that, for the tin, and sprayed it with primer and then painted it, and put a couple of coats of clear on it. Looks pretty cool. It's got a couple of little rubber stops on here, so when the lid opens up, show you that again. So when the lid comes over, the stops underneath then touch on the wood, and so it doesn't bash it. I was going to get a stay, but they're quite bulky and decided to just do that instead. So there we go. It's just, oh, I'll move the bike round and show you what it looks like from the side. Let's put the camera down. There we go. Right. Go. I think dimensionally it looks about right. As I say, the ammo box would have been twice the height of that, which would have made it a little bit more difficult to get on the bike as well. So I think it looks just about right in my mind. So for those who don't know, haven't seen my previous videos, this is a 1953 D1. It's the slightly changed rear end with the suspension. So not the first run of the bike, the second I guess. I fitted the indicators. Bought a kit off eBay for, I think it was £70. The wiring loom runs independently from the loom, the standard loom. Got mirrors as well. It's a bit dark from this side, but yeah, there we go. It's got a later speedo on there. I think the bike was restored in 2018, and they obviously didn't have the original speedo, decided to upgrade it. There we go. I'll start it up actually, give you an idea what it sounds like if you haven't seen the previous video. Right, I've just moved the bike around a bit so the exhaust is pointing out of the garage. Choke on, petrol on. Oh, there we go. Show you indicators. There we go. A bit smoky with the choke out. Once it's warmed up it clears. Hello, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe as it helps us reach more enthusiasts like yourself. See you again soon.